In the previous episode of this series, I accidentally built a marathon runner. So today I set out to fix that. And we're going to build the Sprinter, the heavyweight boxer. The same frame, the same ESC, the same props. The only thing that changes is the motors. We've gone from 1606, 2700 kV to 1507.5, 38,000 kV. What does that mean? It means that this is about to slap. The only thing we're chasing today, not flight time, not efficiency, pure, unadulterated FPV violence.
Okay, so after the first video in this series, we created the most efficient Mario Mini 35, and the goal now is to create the most violent Mario Mini 35. The question is, have we done it? Well, we're about to find out. Just moving out of the way of that lady.
Yeah.
So far, it feels pretty violent. And you can certainly get yourself,
That's almost scary though.
you can certainly get yourself out of trouble a lot easier with these motors than the efficient motors, but we're not going to get anywhere near the flight time. But that's not what this build's about. We don't care about flight time for this one. We just care about
Fun.
maximum violence. Fun, yes, maximum fun.
Yeah. Totally not violent or anything.
Well, I have to admit, the way this just sort of sticks to the tree and just, yeah. So far, pretty amazing. It's a bit of a fast power loop there. What are we on? We're on 3.9 volts. To be fair, we've not been taking it easy. So we're not, I mean, 2 minutes 15 seconds at 3.8 volts. We are using the GNB 880mAh 4S LiHV though, but despite that being a really, really strong battery, these are big motors to be practically beating around like this. So it's pretty impressive so far.
Yeah.
Now I do know, Boy Wonders told me off camera yesterday when we built this that he's scared to fly it.
I still am.
And he still is.
And
I think after watching me fly it, he's probably a little bit more scared as well. The question is, Boy Wonder,
will I fly it? No, I'm joking. I'll obviously try.
We know you're going to do it, but are you going to let the nerves overcome you, or are you going to tame the beast?
Taming the beast.
That was incredible. This is just, well, yeah, please don't destroy it. Actually, I think this might be my favourite Freestyle 4S. Gonna have to go some to beat the Seeker. The tune isn't perfect, so you're not gonna get totally smooth footage from this flight, just because I've stuck with the original Mario 35 tune, and it is a little bit, I could probably do with a custom one on it, to be fair.
Wind's crazy.
It is, but having to change the flight controller and stuff, I just decided I'd stick with what we had for the time being. The wind is crazy, and yet, this little 3.5 inch,
all of the lyrics just picked up randomly.
It was crazy before as well, you know, just before we came out.
It was a very good.
But yeah, I mean, whew. It just oozes and inspires confidence.
Yeah.
3.66 volts after 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So after saying that it's not going to be an efficiency monster, actually, it's really quite good.
Are you having fun?
I'm having a lot of fun, Boy Wonder. I have to keep reminding myself to speak.
Speak.
Oh yes. So drone, sky, tree crash, die.
Fail safe.
Fail safe.
Which is what just happened.
It did on our practice run. We did just fail safe, but we know why. And you eagle-eyed amongst you may see that there is a cable plugged into the Radiomaster TX15, and that's why it fail safe. Okay, 3.45 volts. Little Wonder, watch out of the way. 5 minutes flight time.
And once again, we hand over to our tame FPV flyer, Boy Wonder FPV. Now, he said after watching this fly and knowing the spec and the power of these motors that he was a little bit nervous. And I think that comes to pass at the very end of his flight. Enjoy.
That wasn't full throttle. I'm shaking. What?
Small trees.
Okay.
Oh. I must go.
I'm shaking. I already told the camera that I'm shaking.
Boy Wonder FPV, welcome to the channel.
Hello, welcome. You are high.
Yes, you are welcome.
You are high. Welcome.
Where's my phone?
Disappeared out of nowhere. It's probably in my phone.
I think it isn't fun. Back in a sec.
Yeah. Don't tell him that I want to see where this thing. I'm joking.
Person cleared the tree.
Yep, he's underneath it.
I don't think he's staying there, but we'll have to do some tricks around the one in the middle.
I'm orbiting it right now.
So what do you think of maximum violence, Mario 35?
It's actually pretty good.
It's still quite smooth, I think.
Well, that wind is pushing me off. I'm trying to orbit it fast, but with the wind.
It is quite windy. Yeah, it still feels quite smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I nearly just hit it. I almost. My confidence is definitely going up.
Good. I know you was nervous to fly. That man does appear to be staying around the tree, which is a little bit frustrating for you. So I do apologise, but you're going to have to...
Can I do around these back trees as well?
Yes. Now, he seems to be walking back to his car. He seems to have left the dog. Oh no, he's got the dog with him. You may be able to head back to the tree in a second, okay? In fact, he's running over here now. Right, if you go back to the tree now...
Controller vibrating, I don't know why.
Okay.
Battery's fine. It just
Back
vibrated.
up to the timer.
Yeah.
Okay, so, Boy Wonder FPV. What do you think of maximum violence versus maximum efficiency? So
Well, maximum violence definitely feels better.
it does.
The rip as well,
It does feel
especially.
better cinematically almost as well, doesn't it? Because you can just sort of... It's got the best of both worlds, really, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Now, is maximum violence...
Oh, hang on.
FPV approved?
He's left. Hang on. That guy's left a bag on the.
Yeah, he's going back. He's going back. He's just taking his dog to the car a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the mini tree.
No, you're okay at the minute.
Okay.
You're okay at the minute because he's getting something out of the boot.
Wonder, quote of the day.
Oh, hang on a second. We have Little Wonder's quote of the day. Come here, Little Wonder.
Wonder, quote of the day.
Come closer.
Always remember, Little Wonder is better than Boy Wonder.
No, that's not true.
Okay. Well,
I bet you can't do a trippy spin.
well, what we're gonna do next week is the start of the school summer holidays in the UK,
Oh, really?
and we're gonna set some challenges where they're gonna go against
Failed.
each other,
Yeah.
and whoever gets more points will win.
Probably in football times as well.
Drone challenges.
Well,
So
can't
this
be.
is not a football channel.
Nice power loop.
I'm a bit of a football channel.
Second power loop.
Gentleman's going back, so go back to the middle.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so is maximum violence Boy Wonder FPV approved?
Yes.
If you had to pick one, maximum violence or maximum efficiency, which one are you picking?
Violent. Oh, there's a person got the mini tree as well with a dog. I need a comeback battery. Oh, I just disarmed it. My thing.
So now we've built two completely different Mario Mini 35s. One that wants to fly forever and just chill, and the other that wants to rip your arms off and smash you in the face. But which one is actually better? There's only one way to find out. I'll see you in the next episode. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.